I try to stay out of this machine as much as I can. I don't know how you guys sit in excavators all day long. I feel like I'm picking things up and putting them down. I pick things up and put them down. Anyway, I just gotta keep digging through this crap. There was a big one. Just keep digging, sifting. We've already ripped it, but right through here, it seems to be a really bad place. You got big stuff, and then you've got a layer of real small stuff. I'll just leave that alone. I'm just going down a couple of feet, just enough to grow potatoes. They've got a rotating barrel on a skid steer, so they'll end up picking up all this small stuff with that, so I don't have to worry about that. I just kind of sift through it, dump it out, find the big stuff. See, like these pieces here, I'll pick them up, but it's just really not worth messing with because they're, oh, I did get a fairly good size one there. Not really worth messing with. I got 3 of them there. And as I go across out here, you'll see all the rocks sticking out of the ground. And I've still got a lot of area out there to clean up. And you'll see the windrow rocks over there. That side of the pivot's done. Most of that stuff was really big, so it was easy to pick through and windrow it. And the rocks just kind of stopped up the field there about 300 or 400 feet. And then there was nothing. Not so lucky on this side. There's a main line that goes through here between the pivots where we haven't ripped. So on this side of the field, if it's anything like the other side was over there, clear to the, that would be the east, it's going to be a mess. As you can see all the way down this, it's just rocks, 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 rocks. So I just reach out as far as I can go, kind of go around here in a half circle, clean it up, kind of smear the dirt back out, and then move on down the line. I've tried spinning all the way around, thinking it'd make this faster. Like if you just go along here like this, cut her loose and keep flying. But you do that all day long, pretty soon you're going to throw up. So apparently I have excavator sickness. I thought scrapers were bad. I don't know how you sit in these and run them all day, Albert. I gotta hand it to you for being able to do that. All I do all day long is pick things up and put them down. I pick things up and put them down. Whee! I can throw that stuff 9 miles. And puke. And probably nobody would be paying us to do this if it wasn't that this is such good potato ground. Raises really good potatoes. So keep me employed. Go to McDonald's, get you an order of fries. Oh, them Jeff sent you. The guy who picks things up and puts them down. I pick things up and put them down. Pick up the easy stuff. I wish it had all come to the surface. This would go real quick. You just go around and pick up what's on top. But it just doesn't work that way. Have you had enough yet? Excavator Hell. Somebody come save me.